What are the possible uses for modular homes? Is a house on a plot just a recreational solution, or can it also be a year-round home? I'll show you using the houses you see behind me as an example. We are currently situated just under 30 minutes from Warsaw in the area near Tarczyn. The development project we are preparing includes fully serviced building plots with the option to build Hocomo houses. We are designing the entire site to offer an escape from the daily grind of city life and enhanced by direct access to the forest, the private beach where we are standing, and a pond. We are currently constructing an exhibit here, which you can see positioned right behind me. Let's head over there so I can walk you through the fascinating concept of modular homes. Please follow me this way. The first of our display houses is the 35 square meter square model, which you can find in our configurator. I would like to show you one possible example of how you might choose to arrange the layout of this house. Right here at the entrance you will find a large full-length wardrobe complete with a mirror, as well as a very spacious custom-built kitchen. The entire house functions as a single open concept living area, which also includes a kitchen and a bathroom that we are going to take a look at in just a moment. Of course, please keep in mind that this is only one potential way to set up the space. In the other cabins, we have set up a bedroom, a sauna, and an office guest house, which we will head over to in just a moment. But for now, let us focus our attention on this specific unit. Moving on to the bathroom, I really wanted to show you the various fixtures available in the configurator. Right by the entrance, we have a vanity unit complete with a sink. We decided to install a custom cabinet right above the concealed cistern, and we also chose a sleek wall-hung toilet. We fit a spacious shower with a linear drain, plus a dedicated closet for the washer, laundry, and water heater. This really helps to keep everything looking tidy on a daily basis. Now let us move on to the rest of the layout. Beyond the hallway, the kitchen, and the bathroom, you will also find this lounge area here, as you can clearly see. At this point, I would really like to show you the two distinct types of heating systems that are used throughout this house. We have a central control panel here for the entire underfloor heating system. Throughout the house, heating mats under the tiles are all managed directly from this panel, along with an integrated AC unit that ensures perfect thermal comfort throughout both the cold winter and the hot summer months of the year. We've also included two window types throughout this space. The sliding model offers easy access, even where space is limited. The second is a practical tilt style window. Both are available in our online configurator to suit your needs. Finally, this is the dining room we mentioned where we're standing now. So the square layout house features an entryway, kitchen, bathroom, lounge area, and dining room, all within 35 square meters of floor space. Before we move on to the next house, I'd like to mention the three types of facades available, which you can see here. They are all available in our configurator. The square features a chamfered finish, available in the basic configuration. In this case, it is gray. As you can clearly see, there is a much thinner board installed right here on the mezzanine level. It is a rhombo duo style board finished in a rich dark oak. Now behind me you can see a mezzanine style cabin constructed from half logs, which features yet another distinct color. We will most likely cover that in our next upcoming episode. It is currently being prepared, so for the time being, let us head inside the mezzanine. We're inside, in the loft. Now my entire cabin, as you can see, it's lower here than in the cabin we were in before. That's because there's a loft above the hallway and the bathroom, which provides extra sleeping space. Now about the entrance, we have the light switch and alarm panel to keep the house secure while away. There's also a control panel for the heating mats here. These mats cover the area, ensuring optimal comfort at all times. Second, on this side you can see the electrical panel where all the circuits are clearly labeled. It will soon be enclosed in a cabinet, so it won't be visible from the entrance. Opposite the bathroom door, we have a shoe cabinet with a mirror. Let's move on to the bathroom now. By the chipset, a heated towel rail along with a control panel for the heating mats. You will also find a vanity unit with a sink, a storage cabinet positioned above the concealed cistern, a toilet featuring a concealed cistern, and a spacious shower area. Everything we need is right here in this space. Let's move into the living room. The house we're in has a footprint of 21 square meters and a total usable area of 30 square meters, comprising a hallway, a bathroom, a spacious living room, and a mezzanine. As for the living room, la Hocomo mai as Jechubo Bisco, as you can see, it's nearly 4 meters high. It's very spacious and bright. We'll be able to spend all our days here in total comfort. And when evening comes, this sofa bed serves as a very convenient extra place for us to sleep. Now, let's move to the loft, the cabin's primary and most comfortable sleeping area. Why don't we head up the stairs right now? Furthermore, our display also features a versatile office and guest cabin measuring exactly 3 by 3 meters. That provides a total of 9 square meters of space where you can comfortably work or accommodate your visiting guests with complete ease. Much like the work we have been doing on the sauna cabin, this project is also very rapidly nearing its final completion. So I would like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes where we will show you how our showroom has blossomed for the summer season, and we would love to invite you to come by and visit us in person. Another advantage of all these modular homes is that we can transport them. If we decide to move or relocate these units, we can load any one of them onto a truck and take it wherever we want. We have specifically created this entire leisure complex here to effectively showcase the incredible versatility of modern modular construction. However, we are also fully capable of building a 50, 70 or even a 100 square meter building while fitting absolutely everything into one single cohesive structure. Ultimately, the final choice is entirely yours. We have shown you some inspiration and the various elements of the exhibition that we are currently putting together. A modular home is not just for recreation, it is also a viable residential solution. There are many uses for these modular homes. If you would like to learn more, please follow our channel. We will see you next time.